Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Pokedoll here. Today I am going to give you oh my gosh, it's pulling my hair out. Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick update on something, which it's like not a quick update actually, because like you don't know about it at all. So I don't even know. Yeah, updates are like okay. Yep, that's alright. Anyways, I just wanted to give you something, give you an update. Yes, I just guess I'll just say update. And actually, you know those dumplings, right? And if you don't know of them, up in the right-hand corner, those are dumplings, and there is the glitter one, which is really nice too. Well, I was opening one. It's my first one that I've ever had. Like, I never had one before. And I opened it, and I was like, oh, this looks different. Like, this does not look red or blue or, those normal colors. But then I realized that I got the glitter dumpling, which is up in the right-hand corner too. It's so cool though. Like, it has like tints or something in it. Like, I don't even know what it has inside of it. Kind of smells weird, guys. Okay, you might want to wash your hands after you touch it if you get it. But it's like so cool, and I hope you guys get it sometime too. Like I don't know. Yeah, that's all I have to say. But also, we are going to be making a video. Today we are not going to be playing Roblox. Today we are going to be playing, actually, this Animal Voice game, which is really cool. So, yes, let's hop on to that, guys. Okay, guys, we're in the game now. Sorry if you can't hear me that well. It's a little loud.
I chew on my socks. Lick my toes.
Yeah, we're just gonna wait for that one. But
I chew on my
In
socks.
this game, I guess you have to go in here.
I chew on my socks.
So
I chew
oh
on
my
my
gosh,
socks.
that's just annoying. Alright. Oh, really weird ad there, but we are done.
I chew on my
oh my
socks.
gosh, that's so I guess we gotta.
On my socks.
Oh dang it. Let's check in here if we can buy any. Well, no, we can't. Oh dang it. Alright,
Lick my toes.
Lick my toes. Alright, that sounded weird. Let's avoid that. Yes. Alright. So what is this close sign over here?
Socks.
We can get like people. I'm a girl though.
I chew on
That's a
my
dumpling! Oh my gosh. Look, I got a dumpling too.
I chew on
oh my gosh, look how much money. I'm not gonna be buying that.
chew on my socks.
I chew on my socks too.
I chew on my socks.
No, I don't, actually.
I chew
Alright,
on
yes, I'll update you when I have enough money to buy something, okay? Okay, guys, as you can see, I have enough to buy the egg. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, I bought it. Let's see what animal it's gonna be. Oh, okay. Well, he looks like a gorilla. So we're gonna name him Grill. Yes, that sounds good, isn't it? Grill. There. Is that how you spell Grill? I don't know how to spell Grill. Yeah, that's how you spell Grill. Alright. Alright, what should I be like? I should be like... I'm wonky or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, guys, I got it. So, are you ready to hear it? Because I already did it. Are you ready? Okay.
I'm a gorilla that has some teeth.
Yes, that's perfect. All right, we're not gonna try again. We're gonna convert.
Melon fights
Really?
Gorilla
Okay,
that
I'm back.
has some teeth.
I'm back. All right. Let's pick him up.
I'm a gorilla that has some teeth.
Wait, how do you pick him up? Oh my gosh.
I'm a gorilla that has some
No,
teeth.
I didn't want to go in there. All right, I guess. Oh yeah.
I'm a gorilla that has some
Where should
teeth.
he go?
I'm a gorilla that has
Wait,
some
he can
teeth.
go up here. This is kind of cool up here. You might want to go up here.
I'm a gorilla.
All right. I already know you have some teeth. I have some teeth too. Almost everybody has teeth. I don't know why I'm talking like that. All right. Well, anyways, I gotta collect my money. Yes. Yes. Okay. Well, let's look around while we wait. What's this egg? Oh, wait, we get to watch, what is that? Okay, we get to watch. Alright, I'm opening it. Oh. Wait a minute. Hold up. I got $7,000 right there. Wow, that, yay. I never had that much. That's exciting.
Gorilla that has some teeth.
Okay, so now that I have some money, we can buy an egg. We're gonna buy one of these eggs again. See what I get. Oh, what in the heck is that thing? Is that like a squirrel or something? I can name it Squid. That's a perfect name. Anyways, it's a squirrel, I think. I don't know. Squid. There we go. What should I say? Like Squidward. I can say Squidward Pan. Squidward Pan. No, that doesn't. I don't know. Okay, guys. I got my sound. Are you ready? Yes, that is my sound. Alright. I hope you liked it. Yeah. I hope you liked it. Let's where are we gonna put him? We're gonna put him in here. Yeah, that looks good for you. What's this? $1,000. Let's buy, oh my gosh, a lot of stuff here. Let's buy another egg. I chew. Capybara. Wait, do I already have a capybara? Yeah, I have a capybara down there. That's weird. Okay, oh wait, we don't want to buy another one. What we want to do is oh, we already have this. Why did we buy it? Wait, what? What? I guess, no, we already did this. Okay, I guess we can do it again. Hi. I don't know what to do.
Hi.
That does not sound good. Hold on. I am a capybara.
I am a capybara.
That's good. Oh! Another one of those weird ads. Sorry about that. That was crazy. We are going... Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Okay. I guess we'll just buy another one. Alright, let's see. Another oh my gosh. How many capybaras am I gonna get? I guess I'll just do this. Alright, what's this one gonna be named? I guess this one can be named... Pathy. That's a nice name, right? Alright. I chew on grass with my past.
I chew on grass with my past.
Why did I say past? With my path. Oh, I said path. Yes.
I chew on grass with my past.
Yeah, it sounds like I said past, but I actually said path. Alright. Where are we gonna put this guy? Where is he?
I chew on my socks.
Oh, he's down here.
I chew on grass with my past. I chew.
Alright, looks good.
I chew on my socks.
I do too. How about that? Ooh, yes, I'm gonna buy another one. Alright, oh, what is that? Okay, I guess that's a pigeon, so I can name it Pigeon. I don't know. Kiki. I can name it Kiki. That's a nice name for... how about... Hey, there's Pathy and Kiki. That's cute. Alright, what should I name this? Okay. I guess that sounds good enough. No, my God. Okay, sorry about the ad, guys, but... We'll put you right there. That sounds good. Alright, I have enough to buy another one, so I'm gonna buy another one. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spend all my money in here. Oh, okay. I'm gonna name it Silly because it's silly. I am silly. Pause. Okay.
I am silly.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I am silly.
Yes.
I am silly.
Alright, you're gonna go right there. Wait, actually, should it go over here? Probably should go over here, but it's fine. We'll keep it over there for now. That sounds so good. Alright. I'm gonna do another... Oh, that's the wrong place. Okay, buy another one, everybody. Oh, wait, that's so cute. I'm gonna name it Froggy. Or maybe name it Foggy. Wait, that's what I was naming it, Foggy. Oh my gosh, what does that E look like? Okay, whatever. Well, that's Foggy. My name is Foggy, but I'm not Foggy.
My name is Foggy, but I'm not Foggy.
Wait, let's do a little bit of a Western voice. My name is Foggy, but my name is Foggy. I don't know what I just said.
My name is Foggy, but my name is Foggy.
Alright, we're gonna do that. Yes. Oh my god!
My name is
Sorry
Foggy,
about that.
but
I don't know what
my
that
name
was.
is Foggy.
Let's hear him.
My name is Foggy, but my name is Foggy.
Alright, whatever. Wait, we should put him like right
My
here.
name is Foggy, but my name is Foggy.
Yeah, get in that pond. That's kind of nice. Farm. I should put something in the
Lick
farm.
my toes.
Lick my toes. Alright, that sounds good. Let's go over here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay. Let's go over here. Alright, let's buy this. Ooh. Alright. Wait, what's that? Fungu? Fungu. Fungu the panda bear. I don't know how to spell it or anything, but let's just do that. That was weird. What was that actually? Okay, let's retry that. Bop, bop, bop. Alright, that was weird, but we'll do it. Wait, let's hear him. Alright, that's good. Why? Oh, I named this one Howie or something, but like... I chew on my socks. No one knows about that. Wait, let's see if we... Oh my gosh, I gotta put this down. Here. We haven't put anything in here that much. He's gonna eat this. Alright. Well, this is my zoo. So, I hope you guys liked... Oh my gosh. I hope you guys liked my video, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Yes, that's so true. And see you in the next video, and goodbye.